Okay, so if you want to send a text and your phone isn't connected to the sync system with your USB cable, you can still send a text, but it won't read it back to you. So here we go. If you give this a short press, the voice activation switch, it'll connect you to the sync system. If you give it a long press, it will connect you to Siri. Send message to Barry.
What do you want to say?
I'm just out testing the text facility in the Ford Fiesta. Would you reply when you get this text, please?
Your message to Barry Crampton Grosvenor Garage says, I'm just out testing the text facility in the Ford Fiesta. Would you reply when you get this text, please? Ready to send it?
Send.
Okay, it's sent.
Now my phone's just vibrated. Of course, if you were driving, you won't be able to answer and it's not come up on your screen. So I am stopped here, honest. So if we just go to that, Barry, there you go. I'm just out testing the text facility in the Ford Fiesta. Would you like to reply when you get this message? So reply, yes, got it. Thank you. Send. That's it.